How to pay customs on DHL. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can pay customs on DHL. Now, to pay customs on DHL is straightforward actually. Yeah, the first thing is for you to get notified, and before your shipment can be delivered, you would need to pay some duties and taxes, all right, as determined by the customs of your destination country. So whenever you are making a shipment, you should know that the destination country will require you to pay certain amount of money as a tax on that package. And so DHL's on-demand delivery service would notify you about the charges and allow you to pay it securely online. So what do? You have to check your email regularly. You receive an email with details about the duties and taxes on, and you receive this after you've created your shipment, you've scheduled a pickup, and then you've gotten a quote for your shipment. And after you've done that, an email will be sent to you. And how do you check this email? The first thing to do is to go to your web browser, click on the plus icon, and in the search box type out Gmail inbox, and then on the Gmail's page click on Gmail. All right, on the Google research page, sorry, click on Gmail, and then you'll be taken to your Gmail. So if you've made any shipments, currently I have not made any, so this is the only email I've received from DHL. But once you've made a shipment, you would receive an email for DHL on-demand delivery service, and here you will see a message that looks like click here to pay, view the tax collection etc. Click on it, and then you will be redirected to the on-demand delivery page. So on the on-demand delivery page, you will see the option pay now. All right, instead of the option login, as you can see on my screen, you will see pay now. So click on it, and then you will review the total amount you own, including the breakdown of duties, taxes, and other charges if there is any. And then the next thing for you to do would be to download your duty invoice, then choose your payment method. It could be your credit card or any means. And then after choosing your payment method, make your payments. And then after that, an OTP will be sent to your registered email or mobile number to complete the process. And then once that is done, you would receive a confirmation email that your payment is successful, and the customs will be satisfied, such that your shipment would not be hindered from being delivered to its destination country. So that is it, right? Very simple. Just try this out and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.